Now welcome to another video. We are given x to the power 3 minus x to the power 0 equals to 26. Alright, now solution. Now x cubed minus x to the power 0 equals to 26. Now before we start, any non-zero number to the power 0 is 1. So my next step will be x cubed minus 1 equals to 26. Okay, now we can add 1 to both sides. So x cubed minus 1, okay, plus 1 equals to 26 plus 1. This side will go x cubed equals to 27. Okay, now if we decide to take cubes on both sides, it will limit the solution. Now x to the power 3 here, x is supposed to get 3 solutions. So we need to solve for all the solutions here. So from here, I can say that x cubed minus 27 is equal to 0. So x cubed minus 27 is equal to 0. Now let's understand the difference and sum of cubes. Now when we have x cubed plus a cubed, the same as x plus a, then we have x squared minus ax plus a squared. So this one is called sum of cubes. Now when we have x cubed minus a cubed, so we have difference. So we have x minus a, and we have x squared plus ax plus a squared. This one is difference of cubes. Okay, so knowing the difference and sum. So the difference, this side is minus, and the sum, this side is plus. And once this side is plus, this side becomes negative. And this side is minus, this side becomes plus. So let's go ahead and write x cubed minus 27 as difference of cubes. So x cubed minus, so we have 3 to the power 3. And it will be x minus 3. Then we have x squared plus the product of 2, 3x plus 3 squared, that is 9, equal to 0. Now with the 0 product, x minus 3 equal to 0. And then we have x squared plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. So the first solution, x minus 3 is equal to 0. X equals to 3. So we need to find the other two solutions. So x squared plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. Now let's compare this one with the general quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we have a as 1, b as 3, then c as 9. So with this, we can go ahead with the almighty formula. B squared minus 4ac on 2a. Okay, so This side will be minus 3 plus or minus. So we have b squared, that is 3 squared, 9 minus 4 times 1 times 9 on 2 times 1. That will be minus 3 plus or minus. So we have 9 minus 36 on 2. So that will be, so x equals to minus 3 plus or minus. So 9, that will be minus 27. So minus 27 on 2. Okay. Now because of the negative, okay, don't forget that square root of minus 1 is the same as I. Okay. And minus 1 is the same as I squared from complex numbers. Okay. Now from here, you can write this one as minus 3 plus or minus negative 1 times 27 on 2. So my x will be minus 3 plus or minus negative 1 times 27. So my x will be minus 3 plus or minus. So this one becomes I times. Now we have 9, 3, 27. Okay. Minus 3 plus or minus. So we have 9 times 3 on 2. So my x will be minus 3 plus or minus. So this one is a perfect square. That will be 3. So 3i 3. Sorry, let me put the I here. 3i on 2. So the first answer, that will be x squared, will be minus 3 plus or plus 3 with 3i on 2. And the third solution will be minus 3 minus 3 with 3i on 2. Okay, don't forget that x1 is 3. This x2, x3. Alright, so thanks for watching.